In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. This integration is a powerful tool that will help you manage your online presence more efficiently, whether you're running a small business or managing multiple brands. By centralizing your accounts, you can schedule posts, track insights, and engage with your audience all from one convenient location. So let's get started on this straightforward process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Meta Business Suite. If you're not familiar with it yet, the Meta Business Suite is a comprehensive platform designed by Meta to help you manage both Facebook and Instagram accounts in one unified place. Once you're logged in and ready, you'll want to find your way to the settings. Usually this is located on the side panel. It's marked by a gear icon, which is quite intuitive. Settings are your control hub, where you can tweak and adjust everything from account management to notifications. Once you're in the settings, the next step is to find the Accounts section. This is where you can manage the various accounts linked to your Meta Business Suite. Look for the option that specifically says Instagram accounts. This is what you need to click in order to proceed with connecting your Instagram account. The interface is user-friendly, so it should be easy to locate without much hassle. Now that you're in the Instagram account section, you'll see an option to add a new account. Simply click the plus add button. This indicates to the platform that you want to link a new Instagram account to your suite. At this point, you'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. It's a standard procedure, ensuring that both parties understand the rules of engagement. Make sure to read through these terms so you're aware of what you're agreeing to. Once you've reviewed and you're comfortable, go ahead and click Agree. Following this, you'll see the option to Add Instagram Account. Clicking this will trigger a new window to pop up, the Login window. Here, you'll need to enter your Instagram account credentials. This includes your username and password. Be sure to double-check your details before submitting, as any errors will prevent you from successfully linking your accounts. If you've got two-factor authentication enabled on your Instagram, you might need to confirm a code from your device, adding an extra layer of security. Once your details are correctly entered, the connection process will be completed, and your Instagram account will be linked to your Meta Business Suite. This seamless integration will allow you to enjoy the shared resources and management benefits of the suite. Now you're all set to dive deeper into exploring what the Meta Business Suite has to offer, optimizing your social media strategies like never before. So that's it for today's video. I hope this guide made the process simple and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy managing!